Y'all gonna be so proud of me. I'm only coming home with 6 new birds, okay? Shh! Don't tell Daniela! Hey friends, one of my ears just popped. I'm coming up a mountain. I'm going to Huntsville, Alabama, Rocket City today. I'm going to the Country Feathers Bird Show. It is Sunday before Thanksgiving. We went to early church service, had an absolute wonderful time. Our pastor preached an awesome message at Faith Community Fellowship in Pell City. Anyhow, I'm going to take some baby guinea pigs to my friend Dustin. I'm going to take some hissing cockroaches to my friend Tanner, and we're going to see what we can see, and I hope you enjoy the trip. Hey friends, I went to the bird show in Huntsville today. Had a great time. Y'all gonna be so proud of me. I'm only coming home with 6 new birds, okay? Watch the YouTube video tomorrow, okay? But in the meantime, shh, don't tell Daniela. You wanna see what I got? I know you do. Look, I got 6 of these. Aren't they cute? Look, these are Calico Cochin Bantam Chicks. I got 6 of these. I didn't actually get these at the bird show. I didn't get anything at the bird show. I took some guinea pigs and what was left of my colony of Madagascar hissing cockroaches. I no longer have any hissing cockroaches. Come back here. I took those up for some friends. I got these on the way home. I had seen an ad on the Facebook Marketplace, one of the buy, trade, sell place, on the farm groups on Facebook, where a lady almost 2 hours away had these for sale, and it was about a month ago. And I remembered that she had them and where she lived. I knew I would be passing through her area on the way there and the way back, so I messaged her Friday night and I said, "Hey, do you happen to have any of these available?" And she said, "Yes, I do." I said, "Well, I want them." And so I met her on the way home and I got them, and they are just adorable. The place we met is kind of funny. You may have seen it on, I've seen it mentioned on TikTok a couple of times. The town name is spelled A-R-A-B, and you may think that that spells Arab, but it doesn't. It is pronounced Arab. It is a town in Alabama. It was incorporated back in the 1800s. It's a city about like the size of Pell City. It's got all the typical usual stuff. It's got all the little restaurants and shops that we have, all the chain stores. And so it was a real fun trip. Totally enjoyed myself. I'm so happy to have had the opportunity to go. So happy I got these little chicks. Y'all don't like being in that bowl, do you? Obviously not. Will you stay still? No? Come back here. Here. There you are. I have a little video clip of the parents. I actually went to her house. I say I met her, but I actually ended up going to her house to get them. Met her and her husband and her mom. Wonderful, wonderful people. Go away. These are not for you. So I better hold on to these. Let's look at that little video clip right now. You want to sniff? Huh? You can sniff. Guys, thank you for watching. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.